You know, when you're crossing a graveyard, do not think of the people who've died. Think of all the stories that are left unsaid. My name is Hashim Ali, and I'm an art director and production designer for Pakistan. And I like to call myself a visual storyteller. My thought of telling stories started from kind of being bullied all my life. So वो जब आप एक bully होते हो and you have to make stories, you have to read stories. So I would get lost in fairy tales. So मैं यही होता था, I would sit with someone, I will tell them to read the story, and I would just start imagining that what this world is, what these people are, what is this fantasy that exists out of this world. वहाँ से start हुआ, and then I would like, how do they build these things? How do they build these forests and these castles, and how do they build all these worlds? And then when I started understanding the identity of who we are and who we are as Pakistanis and who we are as South Asians, then I was like, why can't we rebuild these memories and these spaces and these places? So the Mughal architecture is something that we very openly own. But for me, it's the Sikh architecture or the Sikh empire that came right after the Mughal empire. And actually, it's the only empire which existed in this region. So my dadi and I were really close. I asked her कि जब पाकिस्तान बना तो आप कहाँ थी? So she told me a story about how she lost her favorite pen and her house was burnt in front of her eyes, and this sense of belonging kind of started happening. So from that story, somehow maybe I was a child. So for me, this thing of holding on to objects, holding on to people, holding on to stories became very important. And my dadi was one of those people that, you know, I need to tell her story or I need to tell her stories. Made me research more on post-partition and people who lost their homes. So मेरी दादी का connection वहाँ से बना, and the shop that you're talking about, Iqbal Begum, उसका भी idea start हुआ that how do we tell stories of not only my dadi, because for me that project is really close to my heart, because people come and whenever they say Iqbal Begum, you know, who's Iqbal Begum? What did she like? Who is she? So for me, every time I tell a story, I'm passing on my memory to someone else. So when they go and tell someone, so in a way, it's almost like my dadi is still alive. And with that, people come and tell their stories. So sometimes they're like, oh, my dadi used to do this. Oh, my dadi had this Tibet snow. Oh, my dadi had the same wallet. So then it becomes like a combined memory. And for that, I kind of equate it to the bigger grandparent or the bigger mother, which is Pakistan. That slowly, all these amazing things that Pakistanis and Pakistan has done, we're slowly letting them fade away. The idea from this dadi telling stories to a child has become about this child telling those stories or trying to tell those stories to the world and saying, hey, we're Pakistan and, you know, we're a beautiful country and we do all these things apart from what you're used to.